I'm always looking for woodworking projects that have decent profits, are enjoyable to make, and that look great. I think I found two products that cover all of the above, look fantastic together, so could be sold as a set, or why not just make them and have them looking amazing on your own wall. If you're new here, I'm Mark. This is where I spend most of my time, and I hope you enjoy the video. I'm not going to go into too much detail about the dimensions as there's free plans available. Simply put plans in the comment section below and I'll get them to you. As always, if you're enjoying the video, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. That helps promote the video within YouTube and really helps the channel. Thank you. That's the pallet wood prepared. We can put that to one side. And this is the inspiration for one part of this project. I was prepping it for bookmarks for the 6-month 0 to 5K challenge. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link in the description below. And I thought this is far too nice just to be a bookmark. So I'm going to make it into something a bit special. And I might even end up keeping this for myself. I also have this piece of wood left over from a project that I'm currently working on, but I need two of the same dimensions, so I'm going to mill this piece to the same as this, which I'm going to do now. The units are ready to put together apart from a groove that I need to put in to the lamp. And I've got my 6mm CMT orange blade in, which I'm going to use in a second to do that. Right, before I do the grooves, I want to check that the LEDs that I've bought can actually be cut to length. If not, I do have a backup plan, but it won't need the groove. So I'm going to check this first. Okay, so from the end of this cap here, we need about 35 centimeters. But I think we're going to have to cut to these lines. So the closest I can get is that one. Let's give it a go. They do. So for now, for the lamp, that's it. We're going to put that to one side and we're going to continue on with the shelving unit. As I always have, I've had a few problems. I was recording myself assembling the projects, and when I looked around near the end, I noticed that the phone had started to face the floor. The bracket wasn't done up properly. So I'm going to go over what I did, and they'll all be available in the plans, and I'll make them a little bit more comprehensive so that I show you how I assembled it all. Basically, the back of the lamp is just screwed in. There's no glue, so that if the LED fails, that can be replaced easily. You just take the back off, pull the LED out and replace it. It's got a countersunk picture hook frame, and that's that. Oh, and the super glue and wood glue on the front. That's that. Nice and easy, that one. And this one's just as easy, really. It goes from there to there, and then there to there, all the way around. And I've just drilled, screwed, glued and plugged each of the corners to make the frame up. And then in the back, what I did was, because this is going to hang as a diamond, so I just used the square to get my 45 across, and then used the points in the middle to get them level. So that's that done. To get that to hang, or to put the screws on, you've probably seen this before anyway, but all I did was use the bottom of the hook as a guide and then punched through. And then what you can do is just put that on the wall, make sure that your tape's level, and then you've got your guides for where you need to put your holes. So what I think is pretty cool about these shelves is that as they're not fixed, they can be configured however you want. So you can have them like that, which is my favourite. And they are quite sturdy. When researching for the price on the shelving unit, couldn't find anything similar. So I'm going to start that at £40 and increase or decrease according to any sales I get until I can find the sweet spot. I shall do the same for the lamp, although there is somebody selling them on Etsy or similar, and he wants £75 each. He had 20 views in the last 24 hours. I didn't check out how many sales he'd had, but at that rate, I should imagine he's getting a few. I'm going to start it at £40 and hopefully grab an early sale or two, and then I'll adjust the price accordingly after that. I pay £10 for the LED part of the lamp. There's a link in the description below to that one. If these are the type of projects that you like to see, let me know in the comment section below and give me a thumbs up. If it's not, or you've got something in mind that you'd like me to do, let me know that in the comment section as well. And click this link for more projects that you can build for your home or your business. And I'll see you next time.